Welcome back, Jungle Learners. DJ Milo's in the studio, and today, we're learning how to compare things correctly. Ready? Let's go. For short adjectives, just add plus than. Like this, tall becomes taller than. For longer adjectives, we don't add Instead, we say more before the word more beautiful than. Some words are special. Good changes to better, and bad becomes worse. These are irregular comparatives. Be careful, never use both more and We say Tokyo is bigger than Nagoya, not more bigger. Now it's your turn. Type the correct version in the chat and help DJ Milo fix the news report. Great work, learners. You've unlocked the grammar key. Keep practicing, keep comparing, and keep unlocking with Here See Do.